Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name's Andrew O'Malley. I'm a Montreal-based instructional designer. So today's video, we're going to discuss what exactly instructional design is and why it can help your business grow and develop. Whether you're an entrepreneur, business leader, or someone in education, you may have heard of the position instructional designer. It's actually something I hadn't heard about even just a little over 2 years ago. I feel like it's almost like a best kept secret. But what exactly is an instructional designer and what do they do? Instructional design at its core is creating some sort of solution or intervention to help your employees do the actions that they need to do to be successful. So an intervention could be anything from an online course, an in-person class, a one-day workshop. Maybe you create a PDF document for people. Anything that helps shift from the current state to a desired state can be seen as training. You can kind of think of the learning solution like the house you're looking to build. And the instructional designer is like the architect. They're going to use learning theories and technology and specific processes to make sure that as we design and develop the house, it's up to code and we're using tested theories and background to make sure the house is built as effectively as possible. The goal is to make a tailored solution that really pinpoints and addresses the core training problem at hand. IDs usually use a specific process like ADDIE or SAM in order to make sure that as they do the process, it's as organized and efficient and effective as possible. Now you might be wondering, why do we even need an instructional designer? Can't we just throw together a training ourselves? And sure, you could, but let's look at a few statistics first. First off, in a study by the Association of Training Development, the ATD, they saw that companies that invested in structured training programs noticed 218% higher income compared to the companies that didn't do the same investments. Secondly, in a Brandon Hall study, they found that e-learning reduces training time by up to 60% while increasing employee retention by 25 to 60%. These numbers help highlight the tangible benefits of investing in instructional design, whether it's by maximizing efficiency or increasing your company's revenues. So when should you consider hiring an instructional designer? Let's consider these three scenarios. Number one, you're launching a new product or service. You need your employees to learn a new system or transition to a different system. An instructional designer can help you build and make sure all your employees get skilled and are on the same page with the new protocol. Scenario two, improving employee performance. Maybe it's actually a skill gap that's holding your organization back. An instructional designer can help analyze and help you get to the root cause of what's going on. Then, when we understand really what's at hand, the instructional designer can help create a tailored solution to get your workforce to where they need to be in order to deliver the results you're looking for. And scenario three, scaling. An instructional designer can help you modify and scale your trainings for a larger workforce. They can also help go back to your existing trainings and modify them to perform at the higher scale. So while beforehand, maybe you only had to train a handful of people at a time, now the instructional designer can help open up your trainings to help your company deliver these trainings to larger groups and larger sets of people all at the same time or independently. In short, instructional designers are problem solvers who help drive your business forward, whether that's increasing revenue, reducing expenses, or helping keep your company compliant. And looking ahead, the future of instructional design is brighter than ever before. As organizations continue to prioritize upskilling and employee development, instructional designers will be right there walking with them hand in hand to make sure that these solutions are as impactful and engaging as possible, and hopefully even a little fun. So there you have it, a crash course of what instructional design is and why it's more important now than ever. So if you're looking to take your trainings to the next level, consider how someone like an instructional designer could be the perfect person to help you get there. If you liked today's video and want to help out the channel, make sure to drop us a like and leave a comment of what kind of content you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.